Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning.
Hello, friends. Today we will learn to make Elsa-colored dough from the movie Frozen. Let's get everything we're going to need. Let's go. To make the dough, we need a large container. Let's start with the flour. And now let's add the salt. Mix it well. Pour a little water and mix again. The amount of ingredients is in the description of the video. Now we knead the dough a lot. Knead, knead, knead. Knead, knead, knead. Oop, we need more flour. Knead, knead, knead. Knead, knead, knead. Knead, knead, knead. Knead, knead, knead. And now let's add the oil. Knead, knead, knead. Knead, knead, knead. Knead, knead, knead. Add more flour if the dough is still sticking to your hand. It's almost ready. Now put drops of Elsa-colored dye. Knead, knead, knead. Knead, knead, knead. Let the dough rest for 1 hour. Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. Let's see how it looks. How awesome! Now we can play. It's so soft. I hope you liked it, friends. Subscribe to the channel. Kisses, kisses, kisses. Until next time.
Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning.